Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Ashwini, Deepshika, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
So I was saying every web page is a collection of folders. Let's say if I come to linkedin.com, so linkedin.com /with /. If I go to network, linkedin.com /network /. If I go to connections, linkedin.com /my network /invite -connect /connection. If I go to jobs, linkedin.com /shop /. If I go to notifications, linkedin.com /notifications. So similarly, when we know that every web page is basically a collection of web pages, where has it gone? So what we're trying to do, okay, if it is a collection of web pages, which is a dark part of the URL and which is a light part of the URL. Now from here, we know, okay, the dark part of a URL is this sites.google.com. After that, there is a light part, which is a path. Light part is nothing but the path to host. So sites.google.com. Google.com is allowing people to come to the platform and host their profile. LinkedIn is allowing people to come to the platform and host our own LinkedIn profiles. So what LinkedIn is doing, for any profile, they have one dark part and a one light part. The dark part is which is standard. So if I also go to my own profile, view profile, and if I want to edit my public profile URL, once I go here and edit, so the dark part, www.linkedin.com /in/, which is a dark part, which is the main folder. After that only, the additional folders coming in. For me, it's a Shivkumar Gurram. So for other person, it's their name, first name, like that. So let's see, for Vatsala Narang. So for Vatsala Narang, linkedin.com /in Vatsala -Narang alphanumeric number, which is basically a default pattern of a LinkedIn to provide the URL for each and every individuals. Similarly, on this one, on sites, sites.google.com, this part is a constant, what Google kept it. That's a main folder. From that folder, it's going to the next folder, site, then some there, maybe it could be their user ID, it could be their email ID. Like if you see here, okay, that is something 790, they're using it. And then /resume, they're saying, okay, fine. A part to my resume is, this is the link, which is a part to my resume. Here again, they're saying site and then their username here, then part to my resume is this link. Okay, so the dark part, which is a main part, which is basically a main directory of sites.google.com or maybe a linkedin.com. Let's say if I want to edit this URL also, I would be only able to edit this much. I would not be able to edit this one. So let's say if I'm viewing her Vatsala's profile. So here in the URL, we have one dark part, which is linkedin.com, and light part, which is in /in Vatsala Narang. So let's say dark path will take again in URL, which is the main library, which is the main gateway to enter that database. So linkedin.com, in URL linkedin.com. So this light path will remove. So this light path for LinkedIn, how it is structured? It is structured like /in Vatsala hyphen, that is first name hyphen last name hyphen some alphanumeric number, which is edit it, which is a default of it. But if we want to edit, we can always go here and edit. But this is a this path remains constant, linkedin.com/in. So that's reason what we do now, in URL colon linkedin.com/in. Now I would say in title, we would need engineer. In URL linkedin.com/in. This was till.com. It was a dark part. /in. Why we are covering? I'll cover in tomorrow's session, not in today. But this is just the basic one. In URL linkedin.com. In title software engineer. So every URL, if you see, we have a in URL linkedin.com. In URL linkedin.com. So though it is in.linkedin.com, but once we open, that's an old format. For India, it was in.linkedin.com, but after opening, if you see, it's linkedin.com/in. So Google still remembers the data and it's tried to show us. But once we open the profile, like if you see here, in.linkedin.com, in.linkedin.com, but once we open the profile, it's no more in, it's directly a linkedin.com/in. Similarly, if you see here in these parts, sites.google.com, which was a main library. First, we entered in the main library. After entering in a main library, we analyzed a couple of URLs and seen that people are writing or giving a path to their resume after that particular library. If we want to view the resume, then the path looks like /resume. That's where we use two in URLs here. In URL site.google.com or in URL :resume or in URL CV. So we have positioned these two. So we would have given like this also, sites.google.com without in URL, without any command. We have not given any command. We just search for this sites.google.com, resume or CV, Java or Bangalore or Bengaluru. We still get the result, but this CV or anything like that. Now, if you see, we started getting a result from LinkedIn also. We did not get the result only from the sites.google.com. We started from the careers.google. We started getting careers, free code. So this is basically working as a keyword because there is no command before or after that. But once we give the command, once we say Google that give these particular words, give these particular phrases, a positioning to these particular words in URL site.google.com and in URL resume or in URL :CV. As soon as we do that, we just got two results. We just have to repeat the search result. Then we got 334. Then we open a couple of profiles. Now every URL, if you see, has a sites.google.com, then some unstructured formattive way, but again, in URL resume, and then additional keywords, Java or C++, whatever we have given, we have the results. So that's where the magic of in URL, the positioning of those particular words, whether in the URL I'm positioning, or whether in the title we are positioning, or whether in the text. I'll come tomorrow. But today we'll stick to only in URL and in title. Any confusion, any doubt? I know it might be a little confusing, but feel free to ask. Just unmute yourself and feel free to ask. Ashwini, Dipshika, Kirtana, Oscar, Priya, Satish, Shri, Shravan, Tavana. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
So actually, I was listening for the Google search like this for the first time. Let me give a try tomorrow and search on it. If I have any queries, then definitely I will let you know tomorrow in tomorrow's class.
Sure.
Shiv, I have a question.
Yeah.
So that dark matter and as well as light matter is for any site, right? Like, if you want to know, what is the constant in that, constant,
Dark part is a constant. So
constant is the
it's
dark
not
part.
necessary. Light part is also constant. Light part can also be constant. Like in this, if you see in LinkedIn, so /in is a part of a. So if you see /in is coming in a light part, but /in is actually a constant. We'll cover in tomorrow's example that in detail. So dark and light, I would say dark is the main library first.
Okay.
After the dark, what are the // or what are the hyphens are coming are the additional folders after that.
Okay.
So here if I see sites.google.com is a what we say main library. After that, this might be site or this might be, people would have named it variously. We really don't know how they would have named it. But if you see here also site google.com / site is also a part of a constant part, but it's a great part. So when it is a great part, it's an additional folder. People might choose that folder, might not choose that folder.
Okay, sure.
Let's take this. Okay, site. Okay, still this is constant till here. Site. Ashutosh, top view all. Let's see. Home. So this is home. This is resume. So ebooks. So this is the folder of ebooks, like google.site.google.com / site, username, then / home, then / ebooks, music. Similarly, they have one folder for resume also. So we are taking advantage of that by giving in URL resume. So this person has a front resume, and this might not be shared. So this is shared, anyone with the link. Let's say whenever I share this Google Docs with all of you, so I would keep the option as share anyone with the link. So when we do share anyone with the link, then this is how it appears. You would be able to see full-fledged version of it. But if this person has just hosted and maybe some security settings, they would have not done it properly. So that's the reason we are able to view. But or maybe only this person has only this one folder. They don't have any other folder, and we are still able to view. So now this person, if you see, they have the various folders: home, lab 1, let's say home, we go. We have this GitHub site, lab 2. We have this resume. We have this sitemap. So whichever the folder we are clicking, if you see this this URL kept changing. Here sitemap, it came here like this. Lab 08, then it came lab 08 here. If we click on home, it came home. So site Google sites.google.com / username / home. So till username, it's remaining constant. So when we are searching on Google sites, every individual has a different username. So that's the reason we have not targeted username. What we have targeted is only the first dark part, and the second part we just targeted directly give us a results which has a folder called resume or CV in the URL. So in URL sites google.com, in URL resume or CV, in URL CV Java Bangalore Bengaluru. Confusing, easy, difficult? In tomorrow's session, it will be more in detail. I know for the first time, it would be kind of a confusing, but tomorrow it would be more in detail. But anyways, feel free to ask questions if you have anything. So this is only for the Google. Similarly, we'll try exploring going forward for the various sites, how this in URL, in title, and in text work. In text will go for tomorrow, not today, but let's start with in URL and in title today, so that we reach somewhere, and then tomorrow we can just. Now, if you see this search in URL, linkedin.com, I'm not even giving /in. If we just give like this, we have a variety of results. We have a jobs, we have a individual profiles. We again have a jobs. We have from UK, we have from India. We have again jobs. But for the individual profiles, when we say we just open this individual profile, so it's a linkedin.com/in. Sanket Singh, linkedin.com/in. That is a constant part. Akshay Mishra, linkedin.com/in. That is a constant part. Again, we come back in URL, linkedin.com/in. Then we started getting all the results, which has a linkedin.com/in. Though that's showing in.linkedin here like this, but once we open those resumes, sorry, those profiles, it's linkedin.com/in. Now let's say we want someone with Java and someone who is working at Uber. So we get a list of software engineers from Uber. So that's basically an indirect search. I'll just take a pause here for today's session. I understand that it might be a little confusing for the first time, but tomorrow we would be good for sure. However, please feel free to ask any questions if you have it. Ashwini, Deepshika, Kirtana, Oscar, Priya, Tavana. I think Sri Sharma, Shravan, you has been in this earlier, right?
Yeah, we are good to go, sure. But I think we need to have more structured, class in next repeated session as well for new joiners.
We need to have more structured.
Yeah, more structured, class on this again in the next session.
Yeah.
I think because it's as for new joiners, it is all new. Even for me also it is a bit new, but I can understand it as I have attended your previous sessions. So I think repeated session would help people.
Kirtana, you want to say something?
I'll try to implement this in tomorrow's sourcing session. If I have stuck somewhere, I'll ask you in the next class.
Was it a first time for you to see this?
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I have never tried it actually.
All right. Deepshika?
Yes, this is my first time as well. So I have to practice and incorporate these things. So yeah, if I have any questions, I will definitely ask you tomorrow. And I would request, like, if you can do a recap and what
We
we
will
do
for
on
sure.
previous
No, we are going to
classes.
do that. It's not we
Yeah.
are going to go from here. Definitely there is a recap on this. Because again, today's we started with a session on related, people also search for and similar. And now we are here, but tomorrow we would start again with the in title, in URL, and in text. Again, we would start from the basics. Meanwhile, just see how you can practice and try to understand. But otherwise, tomorrow again, we'll have a in-depth only on in URL, in title, and in text. We're not going
All right.
beyond that tomorrow.
Yeah, sounds good to me. Thank you.
Yeah, Priya?
Hey Shiv,
Yeah, was it the first time for you as
can you
well?
hear?
Yeah.
Shiv, this is Devapriya.
Oh, Devapriya. Okay. Okay, guys. Devapriya is my colleague. We work together at Amazon. Now we are good friends too.
So this session has been amazing. I wanted a refresher on Google search.
Mhm.
So for me, it was a very good recap of all the fancy things about sourcing. So it was super helpful, Shiv.
Awesome.
As usual, you rock sourcing, dude.
Awesome. We'll again start from the basics of this in URL and in title in tomorrow's session, and we'll go from there. All right.
Thank you, Shiv.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Okay.
Bye. Good
Thank you,
night.
Thank you, Shiv.
Thank you, Shiv.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shiv.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Shiv.